Alright, today we're going to have a look at the Yamaha SY22 synthesizer. So I picked this one up a while back, and the common issue with this synthesizer is the outputs. The main outputs will fail after some time. You can still use the headphone output, so that's what I've been doing, but today we're going to look at how to repair the main outputs on these if that fails on you. So this again is the Yamaha SY22 Dynamic Vector Synthesis. So yeah, let's open it up and have a look. Alright, so we have the SY22 opened up here. I've loosened up the main circuit board here, and we're going to flip that over. So the culprit on this guy right here is this little transistor. This transistor right here, the 2SC2603 transistor. Basically, this will fail, and it will this transistor right here will burn out, and it'll fail to turn on the relay, which activates the outputs. Basically, that's their mechanism for not having the spike, the power spike when you turn on. But it's a common problem on these from what I've read online. So I'm just going to replace this transistor right here, this 2603 transistor, and we'll give it a whirl after that. So yeah, I just tested it and it works. Simple transistor fix is all that we need to get the Yamaha SY22 back up and running on the normal stereo 1/4 inch outputs. Now let's put it back together and fire it up.